जिए 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 सिंध
पानी खातिर
जहिड़ो आ
पानी खातिर
जहिड़ो आ
दरिया खातिर
जहिड़ो आ
दरिया खातिर
जहिड़ो आ
जो सिंध सिपाही
ज़रदारी
जो सिंध सिपाही
जहिड़ो आ
ओ फौजी दोसा
जहिड़ो आ
ओ आमिर दोसा
जहिड़ो आ
On behalf of World Sindhi Congress, we are deeply touched and grateful to our Baloch friends, our Pashtun friends, our friends from GHRD, our friends from UNPO, our human rights activists. Say, for example, if somebody asked me to express the situation of Pakistan in one word, I would say one word. And that word is, it is genocide. It is genocide. It is genocide. They are committing genocide in Balochistan. They are committing genocide in Pakhtunkhwa. They are committing genocide in Sindh. They committed genocide in Bangladesh. When they commit genocide, every human right is decimated. They are committing genocide in different ways. They are bombarding civilian areas in Balochistan and Pakhtunkhwa. They have abducted not hundreds, they are not thousands. They have abducted tens of thousands of Baloch, Pashtun and Sindhi people. They have killed hundreds of thousands. But in a way, they have killed millions in various forms of genocide. When people don't have water to drink, people don't have food to eat, there is no medication, there is no hospital, and people die. People say, okay, he died because he didn't get medication. No. The state did it deliberately. Since the inception of Pakistan, they have been inflicting genocide on Sindh. And now they think they want to finish this business, but completely, and this would happen if this happens. Say, for example, people don't get water, forget about agriculture, but for drinking, for a day, for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, and this is already happening. People are drinking water that is not suitable for animal consumption. Even animals drink, they die. What would happen to us? And in Sindh, hundreds of people are dying every day, and that is genocide. So question is, what should we do? Either we live or die. That's the only option. And to live, not for us, but for our nation, there's only one way: to resist. And it is a state that is collapsing. And as the state is collapsing, it is becoming more and more ruthless. They want to take every little piece. They want to take the last drop of blood from us. The international community, it is sad. It's really sad. How they cannot see the misery and suffering and death and destruction for not thousands of people. It is tens of millions of people, how they cannot see it. But still, at the end of the day, it is our responsibility to continue to resist, to work, to struggle and to fight for our survival. And if we do not, a nation do not want to remain in chains indefinitely, they cannot be kept indefinitely. This is a very, very difficult period for our nations, but this is my hope and this is my belief that we will emerge free out of it. The day will come, but it is a long, long struggle. Long live Pakhtunkhwa, long live Balochistan, long live Sindh, long live Bangladesh. And thank you very much once again.
Thank you. Sir.
पानी जे खातिर
Tero wa.